Hi, day 12, and today we have the power of focus. This is a 12 skill for today. And what is it exactly? It's true power, it's true energy that is concentrated from us to the universe and is coming back and make it a reality. It's like imagine the GPS device. You set it up, the address you want to go, and you just go. It sends you right, left, 100 meters, and you just go. It's the same thing, our mind. This is how it's working, the whole thing. It's more detailed, of course, but this video is very short, and I'm saying this in a very short notice, that our mind, imagine it like a GPS. How many times in the past you thought about somebody or an event, and after 2 minutes or 2 hours or 1 day, you say, oh my God, it's happening. It's like, I thought about you. It's like, wow, I just thought about you and now you are here, or you just called me. How many times you thought about something negative or you worried about something too much and finally it happened and you say, oh, I knew that it would happen. Imagine this to think from the opposite, positive, consciously in a daily basis. This is what the leaders are doing because they understand the true power of the focus of the mind. So they are aware when they think negative. When I say negative, in the way that they don't want to go, they are focusing on the direction that they wouldn't like to experience. And they stop it, they let it go, and they start thinking from the opposite where they want to go. So they answer always 3 questions every day, and you can do this from today. This is what the leader does in a daily basis. First question, where do I choose to focus on right now? On my relationship, on my finances? That I don't have money or I get paid 10,000, 100,000, 1 million per month. In the relationship, this is what I don't have, or this is what I will have, or what I choose to have. So where do I focus right now? This is the first question. The second question, what does this mean for me? And you find a positive meaning. If an experience is not so happy for you, what you are doing, you find the learning, like we said in the last video, in the video of the karma. If you don't like the experience, for example, if you choose to focus something that you didn't like because it just happened, this is life, you choose to find a gift, a learning, a new meaning that it will change the experience. So maybe the experience by itself is not the happiest, but the learning from this, it should be good. For example, you either have a good relationship, you can say, what does it mean for me? Oh, it's amazing. Now I know how I will not treat my spouse, my future spouse, because I know how I was treated and I don't like this. And the third question is like, what I'm doing right now, what is the new thing that I'm doing right now? And this is changing the whole game. These 3 questions in a daily basis, when you execute them, write them down and then execute them, is changing the whole game instantly. Congratulations again for being here, and see you tomorrow.